What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on IMPP ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this ticker. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point when the price was roughly $4.18. And I've told you that we have to complete all 5-wave structure in this movement to the upside. And internal third wave should be at this point, or probably it might be one more small leg to the upside. And as you can see, we have, let me show you more thoroughly. We have this movement to the upside and then we had a retracement. And the next leg to the upside complete the entire third wave of this structure. And probably we might have, this is our third wave. And this is our 5th wave right here with the retracement in the 4th wave at this very point. So, and it is only the internal third wave, and I have to say that we have this first wave, second, third to this point, and I've told you that the internal wave should complete only one wave on a slightly bigger scale. And I have to say that for now we have the retracement, and in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next, but for now everything is 100% in line with my forecast. We complete the internal wave and we are about to complete our major targets, and it might be like this. This is the top of our third wave. For now we are seeking the bottom of the 4th, and 5th wave might be even higher. So I will continue in just several minutes, and for now let me show you some fundamental news related to this company. And first of all, let's start with the company profile. Imperial Petroleum Inc, together with its subsidiaries, provides international seaborne transportation services to oil producers, refineries and commodities traders. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $35.81 million, and we don't have any more information about this company right here. This means for the long-term investors, it is not the best company where you can put your money in, because we don't know their financials and we cannot project any targets from the fundamental standpoint. So, and let's continue with their official website. It is quite a simple website, I have to say, and they have only 4 ships. And that's why it is not the biggest company all in all, but they are on extremely hot industry right now. It is oil transportation. And let me show you this article. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published just 22 hours ago, and it's titled, "Why is Imperial Petroleum stock up today?" And let me quote you this. What's behind today's rally in IMPP stock? The higher oil prices go, particularly in the near term, the higher demand will be for Imperial Petroleum's services. Today calls for $200 oil via the options market have sent investors looking for alternative waves to plan this trade. One such interesting vehicle is IMPP stock. Now, whether $200 oil materializes or not remains to be seen. Options volumes can sometimes reflect where traders see a specific commodity going. However, in many cases, these bets are simply hedged against worst-case scenarios that may or may not play out. That said, there could be a significant demand for short-term oil storage in the near term. And today, investors are buckling in and betting on IMPP stock as an interesting way to gain leverage to this trade. And let me show you that for now, the crude oil price is $124.85. Definitely it is extremely high price for 1 barrel of oil. And as long as this price goes higher, we might see much higher prices for IMPP ticker symbol and for the company. On top of that, Imperial Petroleum Inc is a very small company. We have a lot of momentum from retail investors. And on stocktweets.com website, on the trending section, IMPP ticker symbol is on the 1st place. On the most active section, it is on the 4th place. And on watchers section, it is on the 10th place. So definitely this asset still has support from retail community, and that's why we might see next movement to the upside, especially with upcoming increase in oil prices. On top of this information, let me show you that this asset is a heavily shorted stock, and as you can see on fintel.io, according to this data, there is a zero share available for shorting, and the last update was made only 23 minutes ago, and the short borrow fee rate is extremely high. It is 236.38, and definitely it might lead to much higher price targets because of potential short squeeze, and we have to be prepared for this movement. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we don't need this tool anymore, and I have to say that we completed all 5 wave structure in the internal third wave, and that's why we can rely on a bigger scale on this movement. And let me show you, let me turn off this tool and let me show you some interesting detail. On my previous video, I've pulled the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the first wave to the top of the first wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And I've told you that most likely we might hit the 1.618 extension level. But also, those of you who follow my channel for quite some time already know that we might hit even higher targets, and next ranges might be 2.618 extension level and even 3.618 extension level. And as you can see, we have very good reaction from these ranges. We didn't hit these levels to the tick, but we have very good reaction from the ranges of these levels. And definitely this movement to the upside is very technical, and a lot of people benefited from this move. And I have to say that for now we are in consolidation phase, and if it is the case, we can project some levels where we might land. And for this case, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave. And as you can see, we have very good reaction from golden pocket range, and technically we broke it to the downside, but for now we have for this movement and we hit again 0.5 range. So for those of you who don't know, we have to have a simple zigzag in our retracement wave, and if it is the case, and in our case we might have this entire wave is our A wave, this might be our B wave, and we might have one more leg to the downside to complete our C wave. And if it is the case, and if we won't see major increase in oil prices that might invalidate this count, we have to have some kind of retracement again, and we might hit the ranges of $3.35, the lower border of golden pocket, and we might hit even $2.23. And in the worst case scenario, we shouldn't overlap the top of our first wave. In this case, the fourth wave will be on the territory of the first one, and this means we cannot have much higher price target for the top of the fifth wave. And as long as this support range holds, we might see much higher price targets, but you should accumulate your position all the way down. And keep in mind that this asset is extremely volatile, and you shouldn't go all in with any position of this asset, because you might easily lose the entire amount of your money. And that's why just ladder your buys down. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!